Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is July 21st, 2015, and today is Tuesday morning. So looking at the markets today, let's start with the Euro USD. Not much going on yesterday. We sold off a little bit yesterday, just if you could look on a 4-hour chart. We're just breaching this lower level here. And the question is it going to continue going down and retesting this 104-ish level on the long side? So I'd keep an eye on it. There's not much economic calendar activity for today. So I really would like to keep an eye on this to see where it's going to go. It's not bouncing, okay, and it's not selling off. So it means that it's just not trading at the present moment. However, this could really turn around on the upside or continue going down on the downside, depending on what's going to go and what's going to happen. It's mostly news driven, the Euro USD these days, so I wouldn't look too much into it. Looking at oil breached this $50 level. And this is what we were talking about, okay? I mean, these support lines are no longer relevant, okay, as we've breached this 57.5 level, and then we breached it even further, and then we breached this potential support area right here at $54, and we continue selling off. So this thing is really showing us that it's weak. We're currently below $50 a barrel. So I mean, we could really test this $44, $43 area again. So keep an eye on it for possible breakouts on the downside. Looking at the Dow Jones been very sleepish and sluggish yesterday. Major news coming out today and tomorrow on the economic calendar in the U.S. Dow Jones. Apple, IBM reported yesterday, excuse me. Apple, Yahoo, Microsoft, major bellwether companies in the United States are reporting today. So that would seem to indicate that the markets in the U.S. are a little bit sluggish just until those numbers come out to see where we're standing. Looking at the gold here, remember yesterday we spoke about this complete debacle, very sharp sell-off yesterday to 1071. We're right now trading at 1103. The question is it going to continue going down? My guess is it will. Just have to be careful where you're picking your spots. Actually, at this bounce doesn't look so bad, but just realize that you're chasing it. Okay, so as long as you're, conscious of that, maybe you'll be able to book your losses a little bit faster if it does go against you. Remember, a trader always thinks defensive offensively, but first defensively, because you've got to always think about the downside and how much you can expose yourself. Looking at the CAD, USD CAD, all-time highs 130. We finally broke this 130 level, and this is all-time highs in terms of the weekly chart. Looking at a longer chart, obviously, we've gone up much higher to 155, 158 levels. So continue to keep an eye on this, because we're really on major threshold right here. As you can see, we've touched it a couple of times before, but haven't breached it really, in a very volatile level. This was a previous support, subsequent resistance, and now the question is are we going to, break through this on the upside to a significant level? That you really have to keep an eye on for activity in the USD CAD. This is Razak at CM Trading. Just wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.